Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a session related Adobe Photoshop and the segment of graphic designing. In a graphic designing, so we have a first chapter stationery designing. So we have to understand what is stationery designing. Just go on Google and just write the stationery designing. For example, mockup. Just press enter. Here you can see. So we have some designs. The stationery designing mockup. Uh, Look at this. In a station designing, so the letterhead, envelope, visiting card, notebook. These all stuff under stationery designing. Now, first we have to work on visiting card. Visiting card is kind of information material. If you want to give information to anyone, you can give a simple visiting card because visiting card include phone number, email ID, contact detail, your company logo, and their address. For example, visiting card. Here we look. In a visiting card, the business name, your name, designation, phone number, email ID, and address. Right. So visiting card is just like an information. Visiting card is just like an information material. Now, where we can design a visiting card. So we have a one software name is Adobe Photoshop CC. Right. In Adobe Photoshop, we're gonna design visiting card. Before going to design, so we must know the dimension of visiting card. The visiting card dimension is 3.5 width and 2 is height. We just go to file, new, and here we have another dialog box. The width is 3.5 and height 2, and your tool scale we can see inches and the resolution 300. Resolution basically it's a quality of your design, so the 300 is standard, so you can set a value 300. And the color mode is RGB mean red, green, and blue. Press OK. Now here we have visiting card dimension. Here we have a visiting card base. So on this base we can design a visiting card. Okay. So here on left side, so we have a toolbar. So we have a different type of tools used for the different segment, different shapes, different text, different blending, different image per perspective. So here we have a layer side. So on that layer side, so we're gonna work. Okay. So for example, first I'm gonna write my name. Just press T. T stand for text, and just click it. Now I'm gonna write the NIFTY. F for NIFTY nifty sphere, right? Here we have a nifty sphere. Just select a move tool and move it. Okay. When I just created, automatically the one layer is created on layer section. So this is a layer. So on the layer side, the left side, the one icon is eye. If you press it, your design is off. If you press it again, and your design is on. Okay. So let's, for example, if you want to size nifty sphere would be small, then how can you do it? Just press double T, and here we have a dimension size. For example, 12, 8, 12. No, here we have, it's a size of nifty sphere. Okay. Here we have another checkboard, the show transform mean. For example, just press it. So there is no points. Okay, just press it. So there's some points. If you want to increase, just press shift and just press it. Here we can increase size. Okay, press double T, and the color, if you want to change color, just press yellow, and just click red. Look at this. So the color would be red of nifty sphere. Okay. Now I just want to write my name. Just press P. Malik. Okay. Sanmik. Okay, here my name, and I just want to copy this layer. Right click and duplicate layer. Okay, and duplicate layer, and just click it and drag down, and just press on double T and write my designation, marketing manager. Here we go. So we're gonna select both, just draw it, and look at this. Slan Malik Marketing Manager. I want to copy this layer again, just right click and duplicate layer. For example, look at this here. Now I'm gonna write my number and this space 1 2 3 space my space oops. Here we go. Look at this. So this is the simple basic visiting card. So name, designation, phone number, email ID, and office address. I just want to add any company logo. Just go to Google and just write any logo and just copy, right click, and for example, right click and copy. Here we have Control V, logo is here. Look at this. So this is very simple visiting card. The use of text tool, use of copy, and use of how to change color of text. Right. So I hope you understand. So if you have any query, if you have any confusion, so please text us. So please give comments and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for your time.